For Miami members, new and exciting features from Agent 3000, featuring branded infographics. Log into your Agent 3000, select Brand and Market, the new items, branded infographics. You can choose to add your profile photo, profile logo, a footer background in whichever color you would like, and then select the category by clicking on Select Image. And you can choose from buyer and seller tips, did you know, engagement, home maintenance, Q&A, quotes with images, quote with no images, real estate terms, and would you rather. So we could come in, select, so let's say, did you know, click, select, and create your infographic. You can then go ahead and click here to download. Download as a JPEG and you're ready to share it in Instagram and social media and more. Agent 3000, all-in-one marketing with Miami.